Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to do very important question of worksheet number 1. This is very important question because it comes for more marks like 3, 4 or 5 marks. So you can see this. Two parallel sides of trapezium are 58 centimeter and 42 centimeter. So we will be constructing it. This way I am constructing the trapezium A, B, C and D. This side is 58 centimeter and another side is 42 centimeter. The other two sides are of equal length, that is 17 centimeter. So this is also 17 and this is also 17. We need to find the area of trapezium. As you know that the formula of area of trapezium is 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides into altitude. Here parallel sides are given but altitude is missing. To find the altitude, you need to do this solution in this way. What you need to do first? Parallel to DA, you need to draw CF. CF is drawn parallel to AD. And one more construction is to be done. Here, this is CM perpendicular to AB is to be done. This is 90 degree. Now, I am writing here, let ABCD be a trapezium. Let ABCD be a trapezium, comma, in which parallel sides are small a, I am taking 58 centimeter and small a is this here AB, and DC, which is small b, that I have taken 42 centimeter. Then non-parallel sides are, because AB and DC were parallel, so non-parallel sides are, what are their names? The name of one non-parallel side is AD and BC, and both are 17 centimeter. So 17 centimeter each. Now what you did? You have done one construction. So I am writing that heading construction. In construction, you have taken CF parallel to DA. Draw CF parallel DA. Also draw CM perpendicular on AB. This is the sign of perpendicular. CM perpendicular on AB. Now, in here you can see DC and AB are parallel. I am writing now in quadrilateral AFCD. In quadrilateral AFCD. Initially, I will say this as quadrilateral. DC is parallel to AB. So I am writing DC is parallel to AB. Why DC is parallel to AB? Because opposite sides of parallelogram are always parallel. Now DC will be written as DC parallel to the part of AB is AF. So I will write AF in place of AB. Also AD parallel CF, yes, CF parallel AD you have constructed. So here what will be written in the bracket? By construction. So in quadrilateral AFCD, what you have done? DC is parallel to AF and CF is parallel to AD. AF parallel DC and CF parallel AD. And you know that when in any quadrilateral both pairs of opposite sides are parallel, that is called a parallelogram. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram. Now, you know well that opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. So, AF will be equal to DC. AF and DC. So, I will write here opposite sides of parallelogram. So, you already have DC. How much is there? DC is 42 centimeter. So AF will also be 42 centimeter because DC and AF both are equal. Now we have found AF. We can find FB now easily. FB is equal to, from AB we will subtract AF. AB is how much? AB is 58 and AF is how much? 42. This is 16 centimeter as FB we have got. Now we need to proceed further. The name of this triangle is CMF and this is CMB. We need to prove these as congruent. One more thing. CF and DA will also become equal. CF and DA, and both these are opposite sides of parallelogram. And what is the name of parallelogram? AFCD. So what you have already? You have AD already or DA. Since DA is how much? 17 centimeter. So CF will also be 17 centimeter. Now to find the height we need to prove this triangle and this triangle congruent. So what I am writing, in triangle CMF and triangle CMB we need to prove these congruent. So you can observe here I am showing this figure also along with CMF angle. CMF is equal to angle CMB and this is each 90 degree. And how it is each 90 degree? Because we have constructed this. So by construction. Now CF and CB both are equal. CF is equal to CB, each 17 centimeter. And this CM and CM side is common. CM is equal to CM common. Now can you tell that which congruence condition is this? Right angle. ये देखो, this is right angle, उसके सामने होता है hypotenuse, then this is side. So by RHS congruence condition, by RHS congruence condition, what have we got? Triangle CMF is congruent to triangle CMB. Now both the triangles, this and this, they have become congruent. So if congruent triangles are there, then FM and MB are equal. FM and BM are equal. Why? By CPCT, and CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangles. You already have found FB. FB is how much? FB is 16 centimeter. So FM and MB will be equal because CPCT. So we can find this. FM is equal to BM and both these are half of FB. Half of FB, as already told, that is 16 centimeters. You have already calculated. So 2 8s are 16, 8 centimeter. So FM is also 8 and BM is also 8. Now, I will take any one of the right angle triangles out of these two and I will apply Pythagoras theorem. Suppose I am taking CMF. So what I will write? Applying Pythagoras theorem in right angled triangle CMF. So you can see in front of 90 degree the side is hypotenuse. So CF square is equal to, what is Pythagoras theorem? That in a right angle triangle the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So CF square plus FM square. From here CF square, CF is already found by you. What is CF? ये देखो CF is 17. So what you will do? Put here 17 square. CF we have put. Now look here. CF square is equal to FM square plus CM square. FM square plus CM square होगा यहाँ पे. ये देखो. Again I am explaining. In front of 90 degree hypotenuse. So CF square is equal to FM square plus MC square. So CM is not given to you. So you have written CM square. Plus FM is how much? 8. 17 17s are 289. CM square plus 8 8s are 64. So from here CM square will be equal to 289 minus 64. What is 289 minus 64? 9 minus 4 5, 2 2 225. So CM square from here will be 15 ka whole square. Square are same. So CM will be equal to 15 centimeter. And what is in fact CM? CM is altitude and we wanted altitude only. So area of trapezium, the name of trapezium is ABCD. Area of trapezium ABCD is equal to 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides. Here what are parallel side? One is AB and one is DC. So AB plus DC into altitude just now you have found, that is CM. Substitute the values. 1 by 2. AB is 58 and DC is 42 and CM is 15. So it is 1 by 2. This is 100 into 15 centimeter square. 2 and this is 50. 15 5s are 750 centimeter square. So although this question is long, do it stepwise. It will become very easy to you. Hope you all have understood the question. If you have really understood well, like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you.